All right, my loves, I'm going to talk to you about what you're going to be doing for Grendel. So you're going to be completing the same activity 4 times, and you will see all of those due dates here. So you're going to post for chapter 1 on the Padlet by 7 a.m. on Tuesday the 6th. You're going to post for chapters 4 through 6 by 7 a.m. on Friday the 9th. You're going to post for chapters 7 through 9 by Tuesday the 13th. And you're going to post for chapters 10 through 12 by Friday the 16th. You can see we're going to be talking about Grendel for 2 weeks. That means that this will yield 2 classwork quiz grades. That is a cumulative grade based on your posting and your participation in the discussion. So each time that you're going to post, you are going to complete this activity. So you're going to be posting quite a bit in the 4 posts. So you are going to read the chapters, and then you're going to select one of the chapters because each of the chapters is a manifestation of a different philosophy. You are going to be choosing the philosophy that you feel like you can write the most about. So you will then identify 2 pieces of text with your brilliant analytical commentary that tells me how the chapter or the character Grendel manifests the philosophy in this chapter. You will offer me 1 piece of text and your brilliant commentary that talks to me about self-definition according to this philosophy in this chapter. And then you will talk to me about some advantages and disadvantages. Where do you see Gardner bringing up an advantage or a disadvantage? I want 1 piece of text and your brilliant commentary. And then I would like some kind of general discussion about the philosophy in a kind of real life context based on the questions that I have provided for each of the philosophies. What you will be doing with that is coming to the Padlet, which you should be able to see. And you can see that I have divided it up into the 4 sections, chapters 1 through 3, chapters 4 through 6, 7 through 9, and 10 through 12. This last column is another set of the posting directions in case you need them when you come to the Padlet to post. You'll be able to see that in each of the sections, that each philosophy has its own box. So we've got Orphism, Solipsism, and Sophism. In the box, I have put the information that you need in relation to that particular philosophy. What you will do is select the one philosophy that you plan to write about and put all of your text and analysis as a comment under that philosophy's box, so that when we look at solipsism and we look at the comments, we will be able to see text and analysis from all of the people who are just talking about solipsism. So everything is just related to this philosophy that you are applying it to. This will come in very handy when you come to write your research paper because you'll have everything all in one place. I can't wait to see what you write.